One day, a famous painter placed his painting on a busy intersection with a note written below. Whoever finds any mistake in this painting should put a mark on that place. In the evening, he checked the painting and became sad as there were hundreds of marks on his painting. Seeing this, he got very disappointed and silently picked up his painting and went home. This incident negatively impacted him, and he stopped painting. His mother was heartbroken when she saw him still suffering months later, so she said, "Let's do one thing. You put again a painting at that intersection, but this time with a different note." Painter agreed. The next morning, he put a new painting at the intersection with a note written below it. Whoever finds any mistake in the painting, correct it. In the evening, when the painter and his mother went to check the painting, it was still the same as it was in the morning. Painter was surprised to see this. His mother noticed his surprise and said, "Do you understand something? Any fool can find mistakes, and most fools do, but there are very few people who can correct those mistakes. There is no point in unnecessarily taking the opinion of people who only want to find fault with others and humiliate them when they neither have time nor knowledge to improve themselves."